Well, hello. This is just a quick little video with an overview of our new Titan 3,500 pound ATV winch. We'll start off with a few little bits and pieces here. The gears. As you can see, we use a 3-stage planetary gear system. We don't like the single reducer gear. We find that it's a lot more reliable, it's a lot more durable, it's just going to last. It's very difficult to start breaking these. Sealing. Well, we try our best to make sure we have enough seals, and we don't claim that our winches are 100% waterproof. Quite frankly, in an ATV winch, to make that claim, well, I'm not going to do it. But what we do try to do, and what we do succeed in doing, is adding more seals than the normal ATV winch that you'll find. Obviously, as you can see in here on the motor, we have the seal bearing, and every winch has the bushing. We add an additional seal, a twin lip seal, on our motor and on our gear housing. And this is the seal here, the twin lipped, and it basically fits in the groove in here. The drum comes up against it, that helps seal it. On the reverse side, and I can show you it with this, again, there's the groove for the seal to fit in. I'll just chuck it in though. As such, this particular side is the gear case side. On the reverse, again, you have your typical rubber gasket to seal your gearbox housing to the foot mount. In addition to this, we add an inner gasket, again, to help keep everything out. The drums that we use, as you can see, they've got the chamfering here. The idea behind this is we want to have the actual drum outside. A common complaint with a lot of ATV winches is the fact that your line can get jammed in between the drum side and the gear side, or the motor side, and foul up, and, well, game over. Yeah. So we've designed this to eliminate that problem. The unit is supplied, of course, with standard fur lead. Our winch mounting plate, and we get lots of questions, does it fit whatever application? Well, this is our winch mounting plate. What you see is what you get. It's not the greatest thing. It basically mounts the winch, it mounts the fur lead, and depending on what machine you have, well, you know better than us as to whether this would work or not. The wireless remote, I don't have it hooked up yet. This is just my test bench. I haven't bothered putting the receiver up to the pack. Basically screws in right here, it's piggy-tailed off, and you have your rocker switch off one connection and wireless remote off the other. Hands are all greasy. And as you can see, it's very basic little item. They work up to 50 feet, and you have 50 feet of cable, so that goes hand in hand. The grease that we use for our gear housing, I can show you the end cap here. This is a blend. It comes from the Netherlands, and it's blended with a domestic synthetic, and we find that well, we use this in all our winches, including the 10 and 12,000 pound winches. Very happy with this blended synthetic grease that we use. Now, engage and screw spool. There you go. Lock it in place. I'll just use the hand control here, and we'll just run it in. Again, turn your engagement knob, the free spool, turn it to lock to engage the clutch, and in we go. Simple as that. Hope you enjoyed the little video, and this is our winch.